Hello, Elaine with Sweet Stampin' here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this faux embossed heart card with the Adoring Hearts bundle. Here is my faux embossed hearts card. I used the Adoring Hearts bundle that you can find on page 18 of the new catalog. This is a hybrid bundle that comes with an embossing folder. So here's the stamp set. Here are the extra dies, and this is the hybrid embossing folder. You can place this die inside, and then it will cut this outline of all these hearts out. Plus, it will cut out 9 beautifully embossed hearts that you can color and do all kinds of things with. When you purchase the bundle, you can pick this Most Adored Designer Series paper, which coordinates with this Adoring Hearts bundle. So I have a bunch of the cutout hearts here, and I've already obviously used some, but I'm just going to go ahead and lay out some of them that I want to put on the card, and I'm going to alternate them. Now that I have it all laid out, I'm going to start to glue them down. So I'm going to glue each individual one down by adding the glue to the raised parts and just following the pattern that I created. And it's going to create this really lovely faux embossed look, like the whole page was just embossed with all these hearts. Then I'll have a little visit from my kitty cat here, who is curious about what I was doing. And I'll finish putting the hearts on. Then I'm going to trim off all of the excess hearts and then use my mini trimmer to trim all the edges to make them nice and crisp. Then I'll layer it on some real red and add some dimensionals for the card, and then stamp a sentiment in real red and add this cute real red heart. And there is my faux embossed hearts card using the Adoring Hearts bundle. When you place a $35 order using my current host code, you can earn this kit for free. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Adoring Hearts kit, which includes one of each of these cards.